Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring your VI SIM is inserted and the device shows signal. Once done, open the dialer. First, try a quick UST. Dial *199# or *1# and press call because VI often returns account details directly. If UST shows a menu, choose My Number or Account Details. Make sure you read on-screen prompts. If nothing appears, move to Settings or use SMS-based shortcodes. Those steps follow next. You now check the phone's built-in info. Go to Settings, About Phone, then SIM Status or Phone Identity to view the MSystem. This displays your VI number if stored. Once done, send an SMS to a friend or another device, then view the sent message details to confirm the number. Alternatively, open the My VI app or dial 199 for automated SMS account info. These services explain why the number is linked to your SIM and confirm billing or activation status. You finish by validating results. If the number still doesn't show, put the VI SIM into a different phone to rule out device settings. Once verified, call VI customer care at 199 or 198 where applicable, and have ID or SIM details ready so they can look up your MSystem and activation records. If the issue persists, make sure to reinsert the SIM, reset network settings, or visit a VI store for a quick SIM reprovisioning. This usually resolves provisioning or registration problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.